here at Touchstone Electric, we handle residential and commercial projects. In the residential aspect, we do new construction to old builds and we'll rewire your whole home. We'll do anything in that scope of work.
On the commercial side, we do kind of same deal. We'll go out and diagnose why an outlet's not working. We'll go out and put a new service in for you, a commercial generator.
Installing outlets, replacing panels, smoke detectors, anything electrical you can think of there as well.
Residential, commercial, new construction, remodel, all of the above.
That's what we do.
We offer the best service we can out there. We strive on making the customer happy no matter what. Even if we end up losing money at the end of the day, it's all about the customer.
We do offer a lifetime warranty on our craftsmanship work. So meaning if anything does go wrong, you'll be able to get in touch with us. We'll come out and replace anything.
Why customers should come to us. We have great techs, top of the line.
No matter what, we're gonna make sure the job is done right and it's done to how you want catered to you. And we're gonna make sure that years later, it's still gonna be working.
Where we go to, really, we're an ever-expanding business. Right now, we're based out of Charlotte.
Raleigh, North Carolina. We go to Asheville, North Carolina.
In South Carolina, we have a branch in Columbia.
We go up to Spartanburg, Greenville, so there's a wide range of where we can go to and the amount of work we can do while we're there.